To service the control panel and dispenser mechanism, you must first remove the freezer door handle and, if present, custom door panel. Open the door to about 30 degrees and remove all of the screws securing the handle. Remove the freezer door handle. Also, slide out the custom panels if present. Remove the drip trays from the recess. Remove the 2 screws securing the lamp cover. Now grasp the control panel at the top left corner and firmly pull it away from the door. Disconnect the control panel wiring as well as the yellow wire harness for the room ambient air thermistor. The main control board utilizes data from the room ambient thermistor to determine fresh food and freezer defrost procedures as well as defrost cycle durations. These readings are also used by the board to calculate algorithms that control all 3 DC fan motors. See pages 40 and 41 of the service guide for more information. This concludes this training video.